bathi ubuhle bakho mntwana umuntu ubone kwenza ukuthi ngazethembi ngoba ngithathekile futhi ngiyakuthanda. Yeah, sanibonani. Yeah, this is another video hosted by yours and those favorites, yours. Damn, what am I even saying? So yeah, Orlando Pirates won. Siwelele 0. It was an interesting game. It is a first match after into in the transfer window available has been closed between Siwelele and the Orlando Pirates available. And I just want to speak about some players which is Samkelo Zwane and Umashiane. And today, by the way, guys, it was like my boy's birthday. I went to Parania, so it was the first time after a long time I was like, nah, today I'm gonna be supporting Parania, but not fully 100%. I was gonna be supporting it for 90% available, because if like we lose it still, I wasn't gonna feel hurt. But for my boy, but winning, enjoy winning the football. Just wanna say congratulations to them, and I won't be jealous or anything about today. So this was the match, which was kind of difficult for me to actually tell who will be the man of the match available, because I don't think there was any player that was actually outperforming more than others. Because okay, let me describe the match, how the match went actually first name. So match qalile, and then gameplay available from like Siwelele. It was a gameplay being expected available ukuthi to be teams they were gonna try to stay deep available, play deep, and then after that they're gonna be attacking with ama long balls and stuff. And somehow they were just even attacking with like ama long balls from keeper available from goals. So they were just doing that thing, and that was the result of like into in the way we playing level Pirates. Because with the Pirates, if you want a team who's like lose a you just need to press, and then more press available, they gonna be playing long balls, and then after playing long balls, you're gonna be collecting the second or third balls available Zaya from the sky. And which is what today TLP actually did very beautiful, which is why maybe he actually won very into in a man of the match, because today I even stayed the man of the match, because I was also confused. But to tell Velocina Police, when he scored the goal, I was like, okay, definitely the person that is gonna score the goal between, even if a player from in Swele available scored a goal, or from a player from Parania scored a goal, that was a player that was expecting that is gonna win the man of the match really today, yabo. So yeah, it is some great results for Iparania, because if like it was a draw, well, it was gonna be disappointing, because there is a team which they trying to chase, because the priority our SBI, why am I saying SCBC said yabo, is that this season they're just trying to fight for a league, man. About their priority, it is a league, even though they won like MTN 8, but they think that they want the most, it is a league available. And this will be beautiful, very like league in your team. And with winning the league, you don't need to beat Sundowns or beat Kaizer Chiefs, especially Sundowns. And it is a thing, your Gucci. You can lose on Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs, but make sure what you win, La Mayama Cheese. About doesn't matter what you win, beautiful, or you win no matter, because today about they won it like in an ugly way, because they didn't dominate the match about overall. So it is a good result for them, especially the way they actually started develop, because it was gonna be very hard to come back. Because if it is a team with Santa is not on form, and then now we Parania, we are not on form somehow, when will be a season also on the, because this is the worst season for Mamelodi Sundowns, the corner, but so which will be another season abazo wazi ukuthi ba-chase i-league vele yabo, i-Sundowns ngekho on point yabo. So yeah, I'm grateful for them ukuthi they didn't drop ama-points today. So they just went from position 8 to position 4, and then Siwelele drophile again. They're on number 15. It looks like they're gonna be facing ama relegation issues. But another thing about Swelele, ngithi mangibheka vele yabo like ama-players wabo, the most of their mid is ama-players experience and ama-players who already played for a big club, more big clubs, about most of them moving in Poland. And then I think there are 6 players from Kaizer Chiefs, Oboseli, Oboban, and also these 2 players available, but Balona Bona from Coast, and then also Mpotsane available. And then there's also like Obo like he has also played for like Sundowns, and this way the way they're just a big team in terms of like a fan base, in terms of a fan base, in terms of what like i-player madlala vele lizodlala vele under pressure because of like support available mining. It is not like more a mistake, it won't be noticed. So yeah, I hope they're gonna be doing. They are supposed to move from like that position and go at least the position 10 or 9 available, but bangabi on the bottom 3 available of ama clubs. So yeah, today there were many opportunities that were created, but umuntu engiyele ngamnotice oyile walahlela ama-opportunities, but I don't know that guy's name available. Angikwazi ukupronounce, ngifaka nokulifaka on my copy, but it is that number 17 guy went away wesiwelele, but he was receiving ama-balls amaningi. It seems like game plan for today, it was actually built about around him, but somehow he was just not like beyabasha like final decision yabo, bengaba-supply vele benga-supply vele that final ball because I think he was playing as a winger. Yeah, he was playing as a winger, and then bayathola ama-balls most of the time. Into ezoyenzeka hayi ukuthi nakhona bayazowalahla when he's trying to attack yabo, bekazowa and then abe like ne-conflict ebhaya. And then today, in today's game also, there was an interesting somehow competition on the right hand side vele yabo, on the right hand side between uMpontsane and uHotho vele yabo, between uMpontsane and uHotho. It was just a competition yokuthi bayanto. It was they were just being aggressive to each other, especially Mpontsane today yabo. One of the things I realized about him is that I believe he's good vele yabo, and I believe which he's good defensive wise, so he was defending a lot, and the spectacle singazange siyibone yabo. And this is one of the players so available course, which I would just wanna say, which I hope over like the season a great, because beyabulaliswa like ama-injuries and you didn't see much from him. And according to me, he's one of like the best wingers like PSL and the quality Lamjita. So I wish him all the best. Sale it is he is still like the same person, but I hope it's like yeah, develop available, and then we saw some killers one at the end of the match because this was something. And it is crazy somehow with Banana today they played, but they've been training obviously, but because it is not like I'm a players abang free agent available. And then yeah, let me say from me, isadivele parani available but relegable Mofukeng. It was after a long time. I think I call available starting 11 because like a person that has been actually doing well kule position le ayidlalayo that side kule side le same side left winger side yabo is that Arsenal Police, and Arsenal Police has been doing great. So it was one of those matches available which really was expected to be like superior, but I didn't see much from him until I think he was the one who actually gave the assist to Aswin Police. And I just want to say the technique behind like the power available behind like Lila Pola Lila, which is what the right thing. And somehow it felt as if like a match will draw available, but we're grateful with him. Yeah, win. So who would I give my man of the match in this game? I will say Tony level because the reason for that, by the way, yabo, I was gonna give Arsenal because of scoring, but I understood also why they gave it LP. The way Suwele, they almost say Super Sport United, the way Suwele they were actually playing is that they were playing with like a long balls, yabo, and if like as a defender, you're always getting very those second balls, la pola la area, yabo, clinically. That deserves to be like man of the match because he wasn't tested that much, which maybe will have to be aggressive. Whatever ways we saw here and there, but not like our Miami matches available. That's Pioneer usually plays. So yeah, I'm gonna give to Unto. that's when I police because of in goal vele, but I understand also like very super is a super sub available, but I understand very much clearly at TLP. I'm not saying it's the I believe he's deserving it more, but into Benzo it was the same thing that was actually being done by Usiema also. So yeah, I'm gonna be analyzing our games tomorrow. So yeah, I appreciate the support of it. Make sure that you subscribe, like, please, Buffett, like, kind of have post and like and comment what you think about the match. And yeah, thank you. I'm signing out.